Very good morning to all. My dear students, today I explain you English language subject of class 4th. Lesson 9 Degree of Comparison. First of all, I want to tell you about the degree of comparison. The degree of comparison relate to adjectives and adverbs. There are 3 degrees of comparison. First one you see the positive degree is used to describe people, places, animals or things. Means the positive degree indicate only one people, one place, one animal or things. Here you see some example. Madhu is smart, Tane is hungry, Surbi is tall girl. In these sentences you see smart, hungry, tall related to the one person only. The next is comparative degree. Comparative degree is used to compare two persons, places, animals or things. We use then after the comparative adjective. Here you see some examples. Maria is younger than her brother. In this sentence you see Maria and her brother. Maria is compared to her brother. The next is the book is more interesting than the magazine. The next example you see Rakhi is taller than Surbi. In these examples, here you see the two persons, places, things is comparing. So we can say that the younger, more interesting and taller is comparative degree, is in the comparative degree. Next is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare three or more persons, places, animal or things. Again I want to explain this superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare three or more persons, animals, places or things. Here you see some example. Shruti is the tallest of the three. Means Shruti is comparing to the three persons. So here tallest is superlative degree. Next is the fox was the most cunning animals in the forest. Here you see the fox is comparing to the other animals in the forest. So here you see the underlined word is most cunning. The most cunning is in the superlative degree. The next one is this is the most difficult sum in the textbook. Here you see the underlined word is most difficult. This is comparing to the other sums in the textbook. So more difficult is superlative degree. The next one is you see this is the worst snowstorm in the last 15 days. Here you see the worst, that is comparing to the 15 days. The next one is this is the smallest butterfly I have ever seen. Smallest is here you see the superlative degree. The smallest butterfly is compared to the other butterflies. I think that you all are fine. I hope that you will complete this lesson 9 degree of comparison in your notebook with exercise in good handwriting. Thank you. Have a nice day.